Welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at gold just for this analysis of this video. Just before quickly we get into the actual analysis, I just want to say that I'll be on Twitter now, and I'm going to be providing updates on each of the videos that I've made. So this will hopefully benefit you if you want to see how I do my setups, and how for you to get into the trades perhaps. And you can see the overall analysis that I do on a shorter term scale. So you can see my thought processes and everything just like that. So if you want to get involved and speak to you guys, just follow my Twitter handle that will be in the description. So in the analysis for this week video, just going to review what we said last week. So scenario 1, we actually didn't get that because we didn't break below. So we didn't get the break and retest, so we can go ahead and delete that scenario. And also for scenario 2 is hidden, but we actually didn't get the retest on the top of our key level, so therefore we were unable to execute this trade, and the reasoning because of that is because we got this close way above our key level, so that instantly meant that we needed this level to be tested as support. So because we got the close above the key level, this trade instantly became invalid. So in terms of what actually happened from the week, so basically from this level, from this point onwards, we actually found a retest on our monthly key level again. So this instantly attracted the sellers again as soon as it reached this blue box area, and this was the perfect point to get into gold. So if we roughly caught all of this, basically 30 odd, 40 odd percent, all the way back down. We also managed to get a position here as well to further our entry. So we got the push and the retest like that, and that's how we came back down as such. So in terms for this week, let me just show you what I meant by that monthly. So this is the overall price action just in general, and vaguely if you can actually see, this purple line is a top line wedge, and this is obviously ascending upwards. And you can see that we've broken straight out, and this level here is one of our key monthly levels. So what that means is it's going to take a lot of price action to get above and close above this level. So what I am anticipating overall in for the next few weeks in gold is to price to come all the way down here to get a retest off this purple line, which is the top of the wedge, and hopefully this becomes support, so something like that before we extend upwards. So that's what I'll be looking for on that level, just overall in the long term. But we can still make money on the short term, and as you can see, this is on the daily, a lovely double top, and with also some divergence as well. So that's always nice to see. That is a likely scenario that we're going to be heading downwards. So based on the 4 hourly, we can see that we are slightly converging over with the EMA, so that's a good sign to say that the conditions are about to sell, so we need to get involved with this. Let's drop it down to the hourly, see what it's looking like. So you can see how we're in the oversold condition here on the RSI, and we can see how momentum is slowing down in terms of volume on our key level, 1398, yeah, sorry. So what I would want to see in terms of relation to get into the short is if we could get some sort of push to the downside, a retest on the key level before we head in. So perfect placement for our short would be here. Stop losses always vary during the week, depending on when we execute the trade, and ultimately we'll be heading all the way down to the bottom level here. But if it does it in this week, then that's what we will be that's the overall aim in terms of reaching this target, but obviously it will take a few weeks, few days. You never know with the market. So that's what I'm anticipating in the very long term. But we'll see how price reacts to this key level here at 1381. Perhaps we may see some sort of rejection. And just because we didn't write or didn't expect this scenario, we could see price to come back up again, excel up and shoot back down. So obviously the NFP had a lot to do with the push to the downside in this week, which was on the Friday. So that had the push to the downside. However, we could see price to come back up again to retest the monthly key level, and we could get our sell entry at the top here. So that'll be all for this video for gold. If you do want to get involved with the updates of what I do on Twitter, if you want to get involved with gold, just check on my Twitter handle. Like I said, I'll just post all my setups, the analysis, and how to get into the trade. So if you want to get involved, it'll be good to interact with you guys. So just give me a follow on that on Twitter. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll catch you on the next one.